In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a channel in Slack. Archiving a channel is a great way to clean up your workspace without permanently deleting any information. When you archive a channel, the messages and files stay available in read-only mode, but the channel is removed from your active list, so your sidebar feels a lot less cluttered. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and go to the channel you want to archive. In this example, I'll use a channel called New Channel, but you can follow the same steps for any channel you manage. Make sure you actually have permission to manage that channel. Typically, you need to be the channel creator, an owner, or have the right workspace permissions to archive it. Once you're inside the channel, look toward the top right corner of the Slack window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu for the channel. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Open Channel Details. This will slide open a panel on the right side of your screen that shows information about the channel, like its description, members, and settings. Inside this channel details panel, you'll see a few tabs across the top, such as About Members and Settings. Click on the tab labeled Settings. This is where you can manage what happens to the channel, including archiving it. Scroll down within the Settings tab until you find the option that says Archive Channel for Everyone. This is the control that will move the channel into an archived state. When you click this, Slack may show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read that message carefully because archiving affects everyone in the channel. Confirm that you want to archive. Once confirmed, the channel will no longer appear in the list of active channels for your teammates, and no one will be able to send new messages there. However, all of the existing history remains accessible if someone searches for it or opens it from links, depending on your workspace settings. Archiving is especially useful for project channels that have wrapped up or teams that no longer need a dedicated space, and it helps keep active work front and center. And that's all you need to do to archive a channel in Slack.